You're gonna love this, babe. So you know how every vehicle we have to have heated seats? Well, this is a bidet toilet seat that's gonna have a heated seat, and it's from one of the most trusted brands in America for toilets, Fluidmaster. This is called the Soft Spa Bidet Toilet Seat. And babe, look, it even comes with a remote. So you'll be able to control everything right here. You're gonna absolutely love this. You're never gonna wanna live without it. So let me show you how to install this. Okay. Each toilet's gonna be a little bit different, so this template definitely helps out. So look down under here. See that the rubber gasket is completely compressed and your bracket's in place. Okay, so it just kind of clicks. So if you wanted to take it off, you just press the button. But you want to slide this on until you hear it click. So you can even see how that button moved there. So when you slide it on, it clicks right into place. This, as long as this has this rubber grommet in there, you can just thread it directly onto here. And it's important not to over tighten this, so just do basically hand tight and maybe a half turn past that. Thread this on like any regular valve. Okay. So we'll hide this back underneath it here. And then again, go to hand tight and about a half turn or so past hand tight. You don't want to over tighten these grommets. Turn on the water. I can simply just plug this in. Definitely pretty cool. It's got the light on it, so you'll be able to see this reflecting. It's obviously pretty light in here, but that's pretty cool. I have the heated seat already on, so you can adjust the temperature. So if you want it all the way up, there's a seat. You also have the dry heat. You can turn that up as well. So when you use the actual dryer, so there's the warm air to dry yourself. But this sensor is, when you sit on it, that's what's going to make it go. So if you just put your hand on it, you can test things. Start it. And if you want to turn down the pressure, go ahead and turn down the pressure. Very, very cool. This is definitely an awesome upgrade to the bathroom. So check it out, Fluidmasters. Let me know what you think. Really was a straightforward installation, but this is going to be something that the client's going to love for years to come.